Hello, good evening, Professor. And this is my completion of the JavaScript assignment or examples that we were supposed to practice for class today. This is my use of a regular constant, and this is my use of arrays. I used up to 6 as directed. Same for my objects. And this is how they're run once active. Sorry for the fact that there's no real spacing. I had to look into how to create better spacing. Maybe I just add blank space and it'll allow it to do so. This is my objects and this is my array. They're both printed out completely using two separate IDs, ID 1 and 2. Well, ID demo and demo 2. Initially grabbed from the examples given to us. And that'll be all. Have a good evening, sir.